Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? Hello, everyone. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Okay, so, girls, today we will we will start a new lesson, but we will continue with the same idea, the factors. Yesterday we talked, I'm fine, thank you, Bisan. Yesterday, we talked about how we will relate the factors with the division or the divisors. Thank you. Thank you, Lana. So today, hello. Hello, Dana. So today we will figure out the relation between the factors and the multiples. You remember we talked about the multiples. So today we will find the relationship, or we will understand the relationship between the factors and the multiples. So please bring your books and open your books on page 300 to start the lesson. How are factors and multiples related? Okay, so there is a relationship between the factors and the multiples for a number. Let's see. Okay, your birthday. Zena told me that there's birthday tomorrow. Okay, happy birthday. So girls, share and show. This is the first example. We will explain how there is a relationship between the factors and the multiples. Look, girls, you remember we talked about the multiples before that, I think, and you know that the multiples for any number, that's mean I have to multiply the number by a sequence or a pattern. I have to multiply the number in a pattern. That's mean I will multiply the number by 1, then by 2, then by 3, then by 4. So I have to multiply it in a pattern. Start with the 1, then if I multiply the 4, if I multiply the 4 with 2, so the multiple will be what? 2 multiply 4 equals 8. Then if I multiply it with 3, so the multiple will be what? Very good, then thank you. 3 multiply 4 equals 12. Then I will multiply it by 4. So the answer will be, or the multiple will be what? Will be 16. Very good, girls. Then I will multiply 4 with 5. So the multiple will be what, girls? 4 multiply 5 equals 20. Very good. Equals 20. Then I will multiply it with 6. So 6 multiply 4 equals what? Equals 24. Very good, girls. 24. So here I have how many multiples? Here I have how many? Look, 1, 2, or here after 4 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 multiples after 4. As he said, multiply to list the next 5 multiples of 4. So when I ask you to find the multiples or the 5 multiples after 4, that's mean I have to find 5 numbers or 5 multiples by using the pattern that we learned. After 1, I have to multiply it with 2, and I have to multiply it with 3, and etc. in the pattern or sequence, okay? So of course, when I want to use here the multiples to understand the factors, girls, look, here I have to 8, I have 2 factors, 2 and 4, right? Also for 12, I have 2 factors, 3 and 4, okay? It's very easy. So those multiples will help me to find the factors or to understand the factors also. Now we will see that by solving exercise number 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, did you write those multiples? We talked about this lesson before. Now we will see the relationship between those multiples and the factors. Okay, did you finish, girls? Did you finish? Okay. Type 1 if you finish, please. Type 1 in the chat. Okay, thank you. So now, according to those multiples, we will see that, look, the multiple has here two factors. That's mean the 20 or the 5 is a factor for 20 for this multiple. The 4 is a factor for this multiple. Okay, also here this 16 has two factors or the one factor, the same factor, 4 multiply 4. 24 also has two factors, 6 and 4. Nora, we talked about this before. I think we talked about the multiples before, and I told you if I want to find the multiples for any number like 4, you have to multiply it by using the pattern. That's mean the first number or the first multiple I have to multiply 4 by 1. Then the second one I have to multiply 4 by 2. The third one I have to multiply 4 by 3. The fourth one I have to multiply 4 by 4. And the fifth one 4 by 5. And you have to write the answer in a pattern. We name those multiples, okay? So let's see now the next question. The next question. Is the number a factor of 6, right? Yes or no? Okay, you remember yesterday we solved something like that. How I will know if this a factor for 6? Yes, if it's a factor. No, if it's not a factor. You know that if I want to find out the factors, 6 is a small number. No need to use the divisibility rules. It's easy for me to find this number, to find the multiples for this number. What is the multiples for 6, girls? What is the multiples for 6? 2 multiply 3. That's mean those the factors for 6. It's easy to know what is the factors for 6. Also, very good. It's 6 multiply 1, another factor. 6 multiply 1. You know that when we talk about the factors, I told you any factor has at least two, or any number has at least two factors, the same number and 1. So those the factors for 6. It's easy for me to know it because 6 is a small number. Now let's see first number 3. Is it a factor for 6? Yes or no? Number 3, is it a factor for 6? Why no, girls? Why? Look, the factors of 6 is 2, 3, 6, 1. Yes, yes. The answer is yes. 3 is a factor of 6 because if you multiply 3 by 2, you will find 6. So yes, the answer is yes. 3 is a factor for 6. Now, what about 6? Number 3. 6 is a factor for 6? Yes, of course, because I can multiply 6 by 1. The answer will be 6. So this is a factor for this number. So any number has at least two factors, the same number and 1. So the answer is yes also. What about 16? 16 is a factor for 6. 16 is a factor for 6? No, very good. No. Can you multiply 16 by any number? It will be 6? No. So this is the condition. You have to multiply this number by a number. So you will find the answer, or the answer for this multiplication will be 6. If I don't have any number, that means this is not a factor. So the answer will be no. And if you notice that 16 greater than 6, so of course it's not a factor. Also 18. 18 is a factor for 6. Can you multiply 18 with any number? It will be 6. No, also. Very good. So the answer is no. So it's easy for me to know what is the factors for 6 because 6 is a small number, so no need to use here divisibility rules. Now number 6, 7, 8, and 9, girls. Now I will talk about the multiples. Now the multiples, I want to find if this number is a multiple for 6. What that mean? You know that when I want to find the multiples, let's talk about the multiples. 6, if I want to find the multiples for 6, you know that I have to do what? I have to multiply 6 by a pattern. Start with 1. 6 multiply 1 equals what? 6 multiply 1 equals 6. 6 multiply 2 equals 12. 6 multiply 3 equals 18. Now, 6 multiply 4 equals, very good Sama, very good Bisan, it's 24. 6 multiply 5 now, very good Lana, it's 30. Very good Kinda. So look, those, if you continue, 6 multiply 6 multiply 7, you can continue, but I will stop here to understand with you what is the multiples for 6. So now we will talk about what? About the multiples, girl. Not about the factor. We talk about the multiples. So I want to know if this number is a multiple for 6, that's mean this number must be 6 or greater than 6. Okay? From those pattern. So 3 is a multiple for 6. 3 is a multiple of 6. If you multiply 6 by a number, it will be 3. No, very good. No. What about 6? 6 is a multiple for 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Look, from the multiple sequence or from the multiple pattern, you will know that 6 is a multiple for 6. Yes. If you multiply 6 by 1, it will be 6. So the answer is yes. Now, 16 is a multiple of 6? No, very good. Can you multiply 6 by any number? It will be 16? No. Now, 18 is a multiple of 6? Can you multiply 6 by any number? It will be 18? Yes, very good. The answer is yes. If you multiply 6 by 3, it will be 18. So the answer is yes. This is the easiest way, girls, to know the multiple and the factor. If you want to find the factor, girls, you have to write the factors of the number. And according to those factors, you will say yes or no. So 6, the factors for 6, that's mean the numbers are, if I multiply it by each other, it will be 6. I have 2 multiply 3 and 6 multiply 1. According to those multiples, I will say yes or no in those question. So in this question, you will multiply those numbers by a number to make it 6. So you will multiply those numbers by a number to make it 6. So that if I have any number, I will multiply it by those number, it will be 6. This number will be what? Will be a factor. Now, in this question, the second question, I have first, if I want to know the multiple of any number, I have to write the multiples first. Okay? Find the multiples. As we learned, multiply the 6 with a pattern 1, then multiply it with 2, then multiply it with 3, etc. Okay? So if any number is a multiple, so I will say yes. So here in this question, I will multiply the 6 with a number to find this number. I will multiply the 6 with any number to find this number. I have to ask myself, if I have any number, I can multiply it by 6, it will give me this number to make it a multiple. This is the difference, okay? Write your question. Who said I have a question? Write your question. Girls, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. If you finish. Okay, just 1 minute. Why we do in number 5, okay? What? Yes? Okay, number 5. This is number 5? No, it's no, not yes. Exercise number 5. Here, right here, Duha. No, the answer is no. 6 and no. 2, 3, 6. Okay, just 1 minute. This is your question, Nura. How in question 6? No. Also, here. Why in number 6? No. Okay. Look, Nura, you asked me why we said no in number 6. Because I want to find the multiple. That's mean. The multiple, that's mean. If you have any number, you can multiply it by 6. The answer will be 3. Look, you have any number, you can multiply it by 6. Look at here. You have any number, you can multiply it by 6. The answer will be 3 in multiplication table. You have any number, you can multiply it by 6. The answer will be 3. No, I don't have any number. I don't have any number. That means the answer is no. Okay, that's why, Noura. Duha, please type the question again, because I can't find it on the chat. Okay, girls, if you finish, open page 301. So the multiples are the opposite of the factors, okay? The way to find the multiples is the opposite. I said why, Bisan. Now I said why. Because you have any number, you can multiply it by 6. The answer will be 3? No. Okay, in number 5, why no? Because 18 is a factor for 6. That's mean this is the factors for 6. That's mean you have any number, you can multiply it by 18. The answer will be 6. You have any number, you can multiply it by 18. The answer will be 6. No, I don't have any number, I can multiply it by 18. The answer will be 6. So that's why I said no, I don't have any number. Okay? Now, let's move to, welcome dear. Let's move now to the next question on page 301. Okay. Now you will understand it very well, because we will solve another example about this. Is the number is a multiple of 3? Now I will talk about the multiples. Okay, girls, so I said If I will talk about the multiples here, the multiples, that's mean first thing I will write the multiples of 3. Okay, this is number 3. I will write it here. Okay, girls? I want you, all of you, to write it. It's not the answer for the question. This is not the answer. This is a schedule, is not the answer for the, sorry, this table or those multiples is not the answer, but I want you to write it in a, on a paper, white paper next to you, to know if this is a multiple or not. So I will write the multiples of 3. Let's write it, girls. What is the multiples of 3? First thing, I have to multiply 3 by 1. So it will be 3. Multiply 3 by 2. It will be what? 3 multiplied 2 equals 6. Very good. Then 3 multiplied 3 equals 9. Very good, Bisan. 3 multiplied 4. So here I will multiply 3 by 1. Then I will multiply 3 by 2. Then I will multiply 3 by 3. After that, I will multiply 3 by 4. 3 multiplied 4 equals 12. Then you can multiply 3 by 5 equals what? Equals 15. Now, 3 multiply, after that, 3 multiply 6. 3 multiply 6, girls. Where are you? 18, etc. Okay? You can continue and write the all multiples. Okay. Now, let's start with the first one. Number 10, sorry. 4 is a multiple for 3. Can you find any number if you multiply it by 3, it will be 4? Any number if you multiply it by 3, it will be 4? Did you have any number? You can multiply it by 3, it will be 4? No. The answer is no. Now, what about 8? There is any number if you multiply it by 3, it will be 8? Any number? No. I don't have any number. So the answer is no. Now, 24, girls. 24. There is any number if you multiply it by 3, it will be 24? Yes. What is this number? If you multiply 3 by what? Very good. Very good. Very good, Zain. Very good, Lan. Okay. Very good, Kinda. And Doha, thank you. Thank you, Lana. So if you multiply 3 by 8, the answer will be 24. That means this is a multiple. Yes. So you have to save the multiplication table here to find the answer. Now, there is any number if you multiply it by 3, the answer will be 38. Hey, do you have any number? No, I don't have any number. So the answer is no. Okay? So this is how I will know if this is a multiple or not. Okay, girls? Very easy. Just you have to save the multiplication table to know it. Okay, now did you finish? If you finish, type 1. Okay. If you don't finish, type 0, please. Okay. We will wait you, Taraf. Okay, oh. Then please quickly write the answers, please, girls. Please quickly. Okay. Thank you, Kinda. Love you too. Love you, all of you girls. All of you. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise, number 14. I want to find here the multiples. Very easy for me, actually. Very easy. So, okay. Now I want to write the multiples. Actually, he told me just write the next 9 multiples. Only 9. No need to write all the multiples, just 9 multiples. So we will start after 2. Here 2 multiply 1 equals 2. Then I have to multiply 2 by 2 equals what? Equals 2 multiply 2. Very good, then equals 4. After that 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 3 equals 6. Very good. Now 2 multiply 4. 2 multiply 4 equals 8. Very good, girls. Okay, girls, I want you to write the answers with me. 8. Now 2 multiply 5 equals 10. Very good. Now 2 multiply 6. Very good, Zen. Very good, Zena. Very good, Taraf. Very good. Very good, Kinda. Equals 12. 2 multiply 6 equals 12. Very good, girls. Very good, Rimas. Very good, Sama. 2 multiply 7 equals 14. 2 multiply 8. 2 multiply 8 equals 16. How many multiple I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to write until 9. Now 2 multiply 8, 2 multiply 9 equals 18. Very good. Now 2 multiply 10 equals 20. Very good. Those the multiples. Now what about the next 9 multiples after 8? 8 multiply 1 is 8. 8 multiply 2, who will tell me? This is the timetable 8. Okay, 8 multiply 2, very good, girls, equals 16. Now 8 multiply 3, who is the first girl? Who is the first girl? 8 multiply, okay, very good, then. 8 multiply 3 equals 24. Now 8 multiply 4, very good, then, equals 32. Okay, now 8 multiply 5, very good, Zen and Lana, equals 40. Very good, Kinda. Very good, Aryam, equals 40. Now 8 multiply 6, very good, Zen and Lana, very good. It's 48. Okay. Girls, please stop typing on the chat now to write the answer. Okay, I can't write the answer because of you. Okay, now 8 multiply, now we reach 7. 8 multiply 7, 56. Very good, girls. Okay, girls, stop typing on the chat, please. Okay, girls, now just 1 minute, please. I will stop the chat to write the number. Now the last one, 8 multiply, I think we reach 8. Yes, write the answer. 8 multiply is 8. Very good, Lana. It's 72. No, 8 multiply 8, it's not 72. It's 8 multiply 9. Now 8 multiply 8 equals 64. Very good. Okay, now 8 multiply 9 equals, very good, 72. 8 multiply 10 equals 80. The last one is 80. Okay, now girls, I will stop the chat. I will give you now uh 1 minute, or not 1 minute, 30 seconds to find the next one. What is the common multiples? The common multiples, the common. That's mean I will find now the multiples that are common between 2 and 8. The multiples that are common between 2 and 8. Okay? Let's see. Look, I have to take a look at those and I have to take a look at those and find the common multiples between them. Who will tell me what is the common multiples between them? Now I will open the chat for you and see the answers. What is the common multiples? Okay, Noura, not Noura. I think this is Lana. Lana, yes, very good. I have 16 here and 16 here. Another multiples, another common multiples also. No, I don't have 14 here. I don't have 14 in 8. Very good, Zena. It's 8. It's 8. I have 8 here and 8 here. Very good. I have 8 here and 8 here. There is any multiples? There is any common multiples? No. Stop typing now on the chat and write the answers, please, in your book. Write the answers in your book quickly. Okay, now did you finish? Did you finish, girls? If you finish, type 1 in the chat. If you don't, please type 0. Okay. Okay, just one time, girls. Now let's continue to number 15. Find the unknown number. Also, I have to find the next multiple. Okay, here I don't know the numbers. I don't know the numbers. I will know the numbers from the multiple. Okay, I don't know the numbers. Stop typing on the chat, please, and focus with me. Okay. Now, girls, I want to know the next multiple after 12, 24, 36, and what is the next multiple? Very good, Kinda. Your answer is correct. I want you to tell me, how did you find this one? Okay, just 1 minute. I will open the mic for you. Okay, Kindag, tell me why. Just 1 minute again. It's 12 multiply 4. Very good. Very good, Kinda. Thank you. Okay. So look, I have the fourth multiple for 12. Okay, the number is 12. So she multiplied 12 by 1, then 12 by 2, then 12 by 3, then 12 by 4. So it will be what? If you multiply 12 by 4, it will be what? Try to multiply 12 by 4. Like as we learned in ring grouping, 4 multiplied 2 equals 8. And then 4 multiplied 1 equals 4. So this is the next multiple. So this number is a 2-digit number. Okay? Now, what about 25, 50, 75, 100? What is the next one? What is the next one? Okay, who give me the answer? Very good, Lana. Very good. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't follow the chat. Okay, very good, Lana. Your answer is correct. I think Lana said the first one. So Lana said that the answer is 125. Okay. Lana, could you please tell me how did you find the 125? Very good. The fifth multiple. Very good. Thank you, Lana. Very good. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. You have to multiply 25 by 5. So it will be 125. Okay, girls? This is how I will find the multiples, okay? Guys, the session is finished. I'm sorry about that, but we will not solve the rest of exercise. We will stop here. I want you to put a check mark next to the question that we solved, okay? Like this. Put a check mark like this next to the question that we solved. Please, okay, you didn't finish number 14. Okay, you can return to the lesson. It will be already uploaded on the platform. Girls, I have to finish